Hello, my name is Jim Mullany from Sitek Process Solutions. Today is Friday, July 9th, 2021. I hope everyone's having the best they can summer. Today I'm doing a video source inspection on a fully remanufactured Sitek 870S with state-of-the-art SlickDevice Controllers. This video will be uploaded to our YouTube channel, so we do not give our customers' names out. However, their PO number is 19856. This machine is actually going over to Germany. So it has the full CE marking, and the CE certificate certification has been included in the manual inside of the crate. This system, the options that the customer only wanted was our SlickDevice controller, which is super important, and then water recirculation. Let me look back here to make sure. Yep, I see the water recirculation valves. For reference, on the back we have a serial number tag, manufactured Sitek Process Solutions, manufacture date 7/2021, which is July. 870S, its SRD number is 01374. Supply voltage, that's 220 volt system for Europe. For reference, we did a very fast turnaround. We have a customer through our distributor in Germany that had multiple down systems. So we were able to refurbish a complete system, upgrade it, 220, CE certification, SlickDevice controllers in 10 days. So it was a fast turnaround so the customer can be up and running. And the customer has a truck coming later on this afternoon, so we're going to crate this as soon as I'm done. So it'll be off to Germany. Hopefully by Monday it'll be in Germany. The customer did not buy rotors. They have systems, so they're going to use their rotors out of their own systems. We have a couple of 4-inch rotors in here. We have the EMO system on there for obviously for CE market in Europe. So what I'll go ahead and do is I'll just go and start the tool, then I'll talk about our remanufacturing process and our support. So simply just put the cassette in, start, and start. This is the kind of boring stage of the video because all you're going to do is see the spinner and dryer spin. So we have a traditional burn-in process here. We have 60-second rinse, which is traditional. A lot of customers do a lot longer rinse. It's really up to them. We have a quick 10-second purge. What the purge does is it blows the water out of the DI manifold so it doesn't drip back in the dry. Then you'll go into a dry one, which is a high RPM, 1800 RPM. It slings the water off of the cassette, the sidewalls, the rotor, etc. And then we go into dry 2, which is a longer duration, slower RPM dry for the complete process step. We have about 15 seconds left in the rinse. As you can see, our Sitek state-of-the-art graphical controller shows you what's going on. The rotors are spinning, your rinse valve open, your low pressure purge valve is open. Green means what's on, rinse valve and LPP. Okay, we just now went to purge, you see that? We're going to ramp up to 1800 RPM, there we go. The difference is now the purge valve is also open. Same thing down here, the purge valve is open. Okay, now we're going to go to dry 2. Again, this is a high RPM, 1800 at 90 seconds. One of the nice things about our SlickDevice controller for customers, it has built-in N2 savings capability. So in our screens, in our maintenance screens and our setup screens behind the main screen, there's a icon for doing N2 savings where the customer then can program it that at the end of the process when you remove the wafers, after a certain amount of time, it's programmable, let's say 20 seconds, the N2 turns off and it will not turn on again until the customer comes in and starts the next process run. So that is the N2 purge. On an S model, you'll still have the nitrogen coming through the labyrinth seal in the back, which is minimal. But this system does has the regular labyrinth seal, again, with our system here. So why this is, first of all, I want to congratulate our manufacturing team. Again, we're super busy. You might see in final test, we have machines everywhere we're trying to do qualifications on. But for us to be able to push the system through a complete teardown, a complete reprocessing of the bowls, complete remanufacture of the systems, everything rebuilt, new windows, new door seals, ACR valves remanufactured, new heater blankets, new, across the board, and a lot of stuff as needed to do a turnaround where we can build it through final test and video in less than 10 days is pretty fast. Our normal turnaround is anywhere is normally 12 weeks currently. And the reason why we could also do this fast turnaround because the customer had its own rotors. The rotors are long lead time items right now. I'm not sure about the rest of the world, but in the United States, we're having severe problems with the supply chain, all the way down to the raw manufacturing goods to start working their way up to all of our sub-vendors. What normally is a 6 or 8 week delivery, or usually 4 weeks, is going to 20 weeks now. Everything's price increase and then a dramatic increase. Hopefully the rest of the world can watch the United States as an example, knowing when they start coming out of COVID like the United States has, there's going to be a massive swing in business that is going to cause a lot of supply chain problems. And unfortunately, the U.S. was first in line here of coming out of COVID, and we are dealing with the headaches of that, of having all of a sudden the economy booming. Okay, we have about a little over 2 minutes left. So, for reference, if you go to our website at sitekprocess.com, the first 7 buttons you see on the left-hand side are all spin-rinse dry related. We have, actually there's the first 8. We have the 3 versions of the rinser dryer, S model, which is this, the F model and Frank, which looks like this but has a different motor, and the traditional ST. The next 3 buttons are all the spare parts. For this system right here, an 870S, we have 100% everything brand new. We can give you new motors, new servo amps, new heater blankets, new nozzles, new ACR valves, new rotor stop positioners, all redesigned by Sitek Process Solutions. We are the #1 non-OEM supplier of SRD spare parts in the world. We believe we are. And this customer actually has not bought a lot of spares from us, but hopefully after they see the SlickDevice controller, they might have us come out and upgrade their other spin rinse dryers to the state-of-the-art controller, and then utilize us for their spare parts. Then you also will see that there was a button for Vertex spin rinse dryers. About 2 years ago, Sitek purchased the Vertex product line. We are now the OEM for the complete Vertex. In fact, that's what you see 2 back here, 2 8-inch machines. They're getting ready to go out. We just shipped 2 not too long ago. Actually, here's a high-profile 8-inch machine. This one's going to Europe. We actually have another one right behind me. We're just waiting for our rotors and inserts to come in. We've got about a minute left. Besides the spin rinse dryer, we also do other wet processing tools. We do the mask and wafer cleaners. That'd be the K&S, Ultra T, Ultra Tech type. We are the #1 remanufacturer and spare parts supplier of the Floorware HTC box washers. We do spares for those. We do all models of those. We do complete reconfigurations. We have customers send us their large tools in-house. We do a complete tear down and rebuild them back up. Besides that, we also do a lot of metrology work. What I'm going to do is stop here because we have 30 seconds left, describe what's going to happen, then I'll finish up on our other tool support at the end of the video. So we have 24 seconds. At the end, what will happen is the rotor will spin down when it hits 70 RPM. It's called the rotor stop positioner, RSP. It's on the back. It has a piston that will shoot out against the cam. It finds a specific spot, will upright, we call home position, which is 12 o'clock, the rotor. When that happens and RPM goes down to 0, I'll hear the door release, because you see it's locked right now, and I can open the door. Okay, we're spinning down. 4-inch spins down very quickly. There we go. Okay, red means, green meant you're running process, blue means ready to unload, amber means you're idle, and if there's a problem, it'd be red. I'm not going to go into on this video on the SlickDevice controller. We have alarm screens and so forth. The customer on our YouTube channel can look at the Sitek Process Solutions, and there's a lot of videos that we've done in training videos on all aspects of the SlickDevice controller, so they should actually do that and become very knowledgeable before they start the tool up. So to open the door and end process, you can either hit OK, you can hit clear, or you can open the door. I'll do the door first for the top one. There we go, it cleared. Notice how we want amber because it's ready. Nice and hot. I want to burn my hand there. Little 4-inch wafers here. Look good. On the bottom one, I will go ahead and use this OK to clear it. There we go, it cleared. There goes amber. Feel down there. Yep, nice hot. Little 3-inch wafers down here. Maybe it looks good. The bowls look good. Machine looks beautiful. We have a very strict on these refurbishment of the semi-tool product line. We like our tools to run like new and look 95+% brand new. As you can see, I would doubt that most customers would not know this is not a complete brand new machine. We have our own poly shop here at Sitek. We cut our own poly. We don't. We make our own doors. We do all aspects. Again, we make our own frames. We make our own bowls. We make everything. So this tool is done. To finish up on our support, we also do metrology work. That'd be the nanometrics tools, Particle counters, KLA particle counters, the 4500, 5500, 6000 class. We do quite a lot of photoresist processing parts. A lot of customers send us their photoresist pumps. That would be Millipore, Cyborg, IDI. Actually, Cyborg and IDI are the same now. We do complete setups for customers, or they send us their pumps to do rebuilds. We get pumps shipped around worldwide from us. Sitek has been in business for 20 years. We're very well known in the front end semiconductor process. I would say traditionally most fabs, if you talk to people that have been in the fab world for more than 4, 5, maybe 10 years, know about our company and our capabilities. So that will end this video on this fully remanufactured 870S spin rinse dryer upgraded to the state-of-the-art Sitek SlickDevice Controllers. Today again is Friday, July 9th, 2021. I hope everyone stays safe with COVID and have a great weekend. Thank you.